Today's oral test of student of 10th class, subject chemistry. There is a two chapter including in this test. Chapter number 9, chemical equilibrium, and chapter number 10, acid, bases and salts. Now I start first from the chapter number 9, that is chemical equilibrium. Orally I have asked some question from this student name is SARIM, class 10th. Sarim, what are the irreversible reaction?
The reaction in which the product do not recombine to form reactants. This is called irreversible reaction.
Okay. Next question. Give a few characteristic of irreversible reaction.
They are supposed to be complete. They are represented by single arrow.
Okay. What are the reversible reaction?
Reversible reaction. The reaction in which the product can recombine to form reactant. This is called reversible reaction.
Okay. Another question. Give a few characteristic of reversible reaction.
These reactions never go to completion. They are represented by double arrow.
Okay. Next question. Define chemical equilibrium.
Chemical equilibrium. When the rate of forward reaction is same as the rate of reverse reaction, the composition of reaction mixture remains constant. This is called chemical equilibrium state.
Okay. Next question. Define static equilibrium.
When reaction ceases to proceed, this is called static equilibrium.
Okay. Next. What is the dynamical equilibrium? Sorry. What is dynamic equilibrium?
When reaction does not stop, only the rate of forward and reverse reaction become equal to each other but take place in opposite direction. This is called dynamic equilibrium state.
Okay, next question. How dynamic equilibrium is established?
In reversible reaction, dynamic equilibrium is established before completion of reaction.
Next question. Why at equilibrium state attainable from either way?
Reaction having moderate magnitude and have comparable amounts of the reactant and product at equilibrium state.
I repeat the mistake and correct question as such. Why equilibrium state attainable from either way? Here, after a way, there is a not at. Okay, next question. What is the relationship between active and rate of reaction?
Goldberg and Wage 1869 put forward this law. According to this law, the rate at which a substance is directly proportional to the active mass, and the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the active masses of reacting substances.
Okay, next question. How direction of reaction can be predicted? How direction of reaction can be predicted?
By knowing the values of equilibrium constant, direction of reaction can be predicted.
Okay, next question. Name 3 common household substance having pH value greater than 7,
Soap and toothpaste.
pH value less than 7,
Citrus fruits.
pH value equal to 7.
Lemon juice.
Shabash. Next, define Arrhenius concept base.
Base is a substance which dissociate in aqueous solution to give hydroxyl ions.
Hydroxyl ions. Shabash. Great. Define the Bronsted-Lowry base.
A base is a substance which can accept a proton from other substances.
Very good. Define Bronsted-Lowry concept.
In 1923, Danish chemist Bronsted and English chemist Lowry independently presented their theories of acid and bases on the basis of proton transfer.
Okay. Which kind of sorry, I remove this question, and next question is this. Why H positive ion act as a Lewis acid?
A substance which has an empty orbital that can accommodate act as Lewis acid.
Define pH.
pH is the negative logarithm of molar concentration of hydrogen ions.
And what is the pH of pure water?
pH of pure water is 7.
Okay. Write characteristic of salt.
Salts are ionic compound. They found in crystalline form. They have high melting and boiling point.
How are soluble salt recovered?
Solubles are recovered by water.
How insoluble salt are prepared?
Insoluble salt.
Yes.
Insoluble salt are often prepared in water.
Name 2 acids used in the production of food.
Preservation of food.
Yes, preservation of food.
benzoic acid, and acetic acid.
Uh, Today, last question of this session: which salt is used to prepare plaster of Paris?
Calcium sulfate is used to prepare plaster of Paris.
Very nice, excellent, my student. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue from the chapter acid, base, and salts, chapter number 10 of class 10 chemistry. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.